So welcome back everyone. As you have seen in the thumbnail that in this video I'm gonna tell you that how to let our projects go public, because if I ask anyone that how to let our projects go public, then they will say just copy this link and send it to anyone. They will be able to access it, but that's not the truth. Over here I just go live in VS Code and just closed it. Now if I paste this link over here, let's see.
6.5 hours later.
See, error has come that this page can't be reached, and if I had opened the VS Code, then this would have come. Now if I send this link to anyone, they'll not be able to access it. So what's the another way to do this task? So for that you'll need a website called GitHub. This is a very popular website in the internet. If you don't know much about it, you can just do research about it in the YouTube.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
So to put our projects, files, you need to create repositories. Repositories are like folders in which we'll put files, all the index.html, HTML files, CSS files. So to create repository, there are three options. One is this one, second is this one. You can choose if you want the file to be public or private. Third option is this one. I personally choose this one. Now I'll just create repository. Now over here I need to give it a name. Now if I give it a name, loading animation 1, this is already created. I have created it, so it will not be accessed. I have to create loading animation 2, another name which is not been taken. So after that you need to give a description. It's your choice, it's optional. Like over here in this repository I have created loading animation. You can let ChatGPT write the repository for you. So after that you just need to set the public and private, and you need to choose readme file from which your description and many other tasks are done. After that you just need to create repository. It's a very easy task. I do it in my daily basis. After that you can edit your repository description from here. Then you need to upload files, choose files. Now I'll just choose my files. See, my all three files have been loaded. Now I'll just put commit changes. Now our files have been added. Now if I want to make any change in my file, any code change, I'll just click this link and just click this button, edit button. Now I can make any changes, like if I want to remove G or do anything, then I'll just do commit changes. Right now I don't want to do it, so there is no need to do it. Now I'll just come over here. So my all three files have been added, everything has been done. Now we have to generate new link of this repository. So for that you will need to go in setting, then in pages, then from branch you need to set it to main, then just save it. After that you will need to do a main task that after every 20 seconds you will need to load this. 10 or 20 seconds you will need to load like this.
2,000 years later.
So now you can see my link has been created. Now I'll do visit site to see if it's working or not. See, it's really working, it's wonderful. I'm very impressed with it. So after that, over there it written how many time ago it is updated. Now I can just send this link to anyone. They'll be able to access it, and in this website GitHub, anyone can see your repository. Anyone from the internet. Now there are some things I want to tell you before ending my video, that if I again want to upload a new file, like if I upload a new file over here, this one, commit changes. Now my file has been edited. Now if I go in again the pages section, now if I see the link has not been updated, it has been updated which was at first. Now if I want to update this link, like if I edited a new image or edit something new, so I want the link to be updated, to be new. So for that you will need to again open the GitHub page, or you will just need to, I think, reload it, then it may come, or just make a new. These are all repositories, you will see them over here. You can also check out my repositories, all these things. Now if I again come over here, see over here it is written now. Sometimes it may not come in yours, so you need to update it 2 or 3 times like that. You need to open GitHub, so it will be updated. Now my link has been updated. I have not done any changes in this file, so changes are not appearing over here. So after that, at last I want to tell you that how you can delete this file, repository mainly. If you want to delete it or rename it, how you can do it. Over here you can rename it, and if you want to delete it, you just need to go in last and just delete the repository. You need to just press it, I want to delete it, I've read. Now after that you just need to, I've already copied this text. You just need to write the same repository name, whatever is written over here. Then see, it is successfully deleted. Over here it is written. Now if I go in my home section and show you, see, there is no file called repository called Loading Animation 2. We created the repository, we deleted it, we done everything. And if you have any questions, if you want to ask anything or any problem occurred in your GitHub repository, so feel free to ask me, because I am open to questions. I'll give my best to answer you all. And if you got value from this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like my video. Thank you.